Okay, this is my first screencast. I am absolutely terrified, but I figured some Jane Austen quotes from Pinterest will help me feel a little bit better, because Jane Austen makes everyone feel better. Let's see. Here's some Jane Austen. I also really enjoy some Neruda poems, specifically in Spanish, because if you don't read Spanish poetry, you're missing out. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is probably my favorite way to read poetry in Spanish. Let's see. Really like this poem right here specifically. Okay. I think this will be it. This is fun, actually. This is something that I want, and now everyone will know. Okay, I'm done. Bye.